Hey guys, I want to show you real quick what we're doing. If you're watching this, you probably know a little bit about this. So this is a cast iron pipe that's rotted out, right? And this is underneath a lot of homes out in your neighborhood. And what we were doing today is Brian and I were doing some training. And essentially what we can do is we can put this pipe inside of this pipe. And we can do that on 2-inch line. This is the 2-inch line that we were testing for a customer's house. And what we do is instead of having a tunnel under somebody's house, what we can do is install this pipe. And this is a test where essentially what we did is we did a spot repair. So we've got a repair here from here all the way to here. And this 8-foot repair we did without having a tunnel, and we can do this without having a tunnel underneath the house, which obviously saves some money, saves your foundation, it saves a lot of destruction and hassle and aggravation and all that other good stuff. So if you've got questions about it, holler at us and we'll be able to help you out and answer your questions. Do what you oughter, call Clear Water.
Got to do what you oughter.